Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the process is smooth. Enable virtualization in BIOS, confirm at least 8 GB RAM and 50 GB free disk. These impact performance. Next, pick whether you want a cloud virtual desktop or a local VM. Cloud scales fast, local saves cost. Once decided, create or locate an admin account, set up payment if needed, and download the OS image. Now you're ready to provision the first virtual desktop instance. Proceed to configuration. Now you create and configure the virtual desktop instance. Spin up a VM with appropriate vCPU, RAM, and disk sizes. Balance resources for performance versus cost. Attach the OS ISO and run the installer. Then install guest tools or integration services to enable clipboard, resolution, and file sharing. Configure networking. Choose NAT or bridged mode, set firewall rules, and enable RDP or SSH access. Once done, create an admin user and lock down ports. These steps ensure the desktop is usable and secure. Finish by updating the system, installing antivirus, and adding the apps users need so the desktop is ready for work. Test access. Connect using RDP or SSH, transfer a file, and confirm display scaling and peripheral support. Make a snapshot or image now to enable quick rollback. If something goes wrong, check the common issue: networking misconfiguration, verify VM NIC settings, security group rules, and port forwarding. Reboot the VM after changes to apply network and driver updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.